Yo gamers, Sony's suing Tencent, calling their new game Light of Motiram a blatant Horizon ripoff. Could this halt the game's release? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this explosive lawsuit. Sony filed a lawsuit against Tencent in California, claiming their game Light of Motiram copies Horizon Zero Dawn and Forbidden West. With gamers buzzing about the similarities, this could shake up the gaming world. Want the details? Keep watching. Sony's case, filed as Sony Interactive Entertainment LLC v. Tencent Holdings Ltd, case no. 325CV06275, accuses Tencent of copyright and trademark infringement. They claim Light of Motiram mimics Horizon's red-headed heroine, robot animal enemies, and Viking sci-fi aesthetic, risking brand confusion and damage to Sony's franchise. Light of Motiram's been under fire since its reveal, with gamers spotting Horizon like characters, creatures, and world design in screenshots and clips. Sony alleges Tencent pitched a Horizon collab that fell through, only to proceed with a slavish clone anyway. Fans have been vocal, pointing out the striking similarities online. This lawsuit could force a settlement, a redesign of Light of Motiram, or even block its release. It's a high-stakes battle for Sony to protect Horizon, one of their biggest franchises. Legal experts say the outcome could set a precedent for copycat claims in gaming. Will Tencent's game survive the fight? The future of Light of Motiram hangs in the balance as the lawsuit unfolds. With Horizon's legacy at stake, gamers are watching closely. What's your take on this drama? Is Light of Motiram too close to Horizon? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Sony's lawsuit against Tencent over Light of Motiram. Are you Team Sony or curious about Tencent's game? Drop your thoughts in the comments if you love this news. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.